Hello everyone, welcome to This Old TJ. I have recently been a convert from a Jeep JL back to the TJ platform. I've owned these things before. This is my third TJ. It's new to me. Take a look, it's fairly well taken care of. Paint's fairly clean. Picking it apart, there was no real rust that was like readily evident, especially along the frame. And this is going to be my platform. This is going to be the one I finally build the way I've always wanted to build. So it was mostly stock when I picked it up. It's got the tow bars set up on the front and a breakaway brake controller. It has been towed, so how many miles are actually on it is anyone's guess. But overall, pretty good shape. Previous owner had put a couple of new 32s on it. The dealer I picked it up from had added 2 additional new 32s, and they pulled off the little spare that was on the back, put the best of the worst on the rear for a spare. And if you look at the funny wear pattern it's got, you can see that shocks are going to be on the short list of things to get done. Also don't know what to think about the whole roof rack thing here. I'm not sure if this is the Smittybilt or the, I know there's another brand that I think is almost the exact same thing. Can't remember exactly what it was, but I think this may be coming off. You can see at one point in time it's had a light bar up top. Got a few lights here. One works, the other one partially works. As soon as I sell the winch bumper I had on my JL, my winch is going back on the front. And, the great thing with a Jeep like this is there's no shortage of things you can do, and I've already got a running list. But again, as far as starting point goes, I would have been hard pressed to find much cleaner. Did manage to get one that has cruise control, AC, and is an automatic. And I know a lot of folks don't like the automatics, but dealing in major city traffic, my days of keeping my left foot half on a clutch for 20-30 miles at a time are over. So anyway, if you want to follow along, see what all I'm going to be doing to this thing as time goes by, reach down there and hit that subscribe button. If you liked the little intro video here, give it a thumbs up. And there will be more to come shortly on the super short list of things that are happening. I've noticed on the later year TJs here, the seats do make you feel like you're sitting almost at floor level. So coming up right away, I am building a 2-inch riser set for both driver and passenger seat. This is the Jeep my daughter will continue learning to drive in. And will be a lot easier for her to learn to drive when she can actually see the hood and not just see the top of the dash and nothing else as she looks out the front. But I'll have some probably giveaways from this. Once I hit 100 subscribers, let's just say after I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be giving away these JW speaker knockoffs. Believe they both still work. They're just not my kind of thing. I've already got another set of lights that are going to go in here. So let's get this channel started. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and there'll be more soon.